Head up. Okay. Everyone grab on. Feet her out. Feet her out. Feet her out. Atomic Betty is a member of the largest python species on Earth. Now, at her size, a bite, teeth are a centimetre long, serious cuts, and if she gets a coil around you, you'll hear ribs pop. Watch that head, mate.
After a tense struggle, they managed to capture the massive 21-foot-long python.
Okay, so bring that bag in. Tail's going to go in first. Start to bring the bag a bit closer, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. You ready? Now wrap her up. Atomic Betty is one of the reptile park favourites. I think that something's wrong with her. Well, I don't like it, and it really worries me.
Coming up on Dr. Chris Pet Vet, Tim gets a closer look at the growth on Atomic Betty.
Okay, so that's pretty serious.
But first,
I think this is the only line I'll let bite my finger.
Chris is worried about the 4-month-old lion cub.
Without the antibodies coming in from her mother's milk, she is at risk of infection.
But Chris has a plan.
It's a risk we have to take.
Dr. Chris Pet Vet, part of the CBS Dream Team. It's Epic. We'll be right back after these messages.
Time for bacon strip, Bucky. Zach, come get a blue sizzler. What's that? Blue sizzlers. They're bacon-style treats. Real pork is the first ingredient.
Well, Bucky loves bacon, so I give him bacon strips.
Bacon, huh?
Yeah, says it, all over the bag.
Never looked at the ingredients?
Yeah, the first ingredient is bacon. Ground wheat.
I get meat, you get wheat.
Oh, no.
I get meat, you get wheat.
Hold on. Corn, cooked meal, wheat, flour, water, glycerin, ground yellow corn, sugar, soybean meal, bacon.
Compare the ingredients of Blue Sizzlers to bacon strips at testbluetreats.com. You'll see that Blue Sizzler starts with pork, while bacon strips starts with ground wheat.
Can I get a sizzler?
Try Blue Sizzlers today. It's the bacon-style treat that starts with meat, not wheat.
When life runs smoothly, it follows a rhythm all of its own. But if diarrhea knocks you off course, Imodium AD provides fast relief to soothe your diarrhea symptoms and help restore your natural rhythm. Now available in a soft gel. Imodium. Live life in rhythm.
You're in there, baby.
Pampers. Unlike ordinary diapers with 2 layers, Pampers have 3 absorbent layers to stay up to 3 times drier. So babies can sleep soundly all night. Wishing you love, sleep, and play. Pampers.
I never miss an early morning market, but with my back pain, I couldn't sleep or get up in time. Then, I found Aleve PM.
The only one to combine a safe sleep aid plus the 12-hour pain-relieving strength of Aleve.
And now, I'm back.
Aleve PM for a better AM.
CBS weekends are better than ever because we've got the CBS Dream Team.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
With Brandon McMillan, Lucky Dog, Chris Brown, Dr. Chris Pet Vet, and The Open Road with Dr. Chris. Be prepared to be surprised. Brookberg Charvet, Chicken Soup for the Soul's Hidden Heroes, The Inspectors.
That's what I consider a win.
Mo Rocca and the Henry Ford's Innovation Nation.
Let's get ready to roll.
Watch all new episodes of the CBS Dream Team. It's epic. Weekends on CBS.
We now return to Dr. Chris Pet Vet, part of the CBS Dream Team. It's epic.
Is it tasty? I think this is the only line I'll let bite my finger.
At the clinic, Chris needs to examine Sammy. After being rejected by her mother, the little lion cub is being hand-raised by Donna and Amanda. They need to make sure she's healthy.
The heart sounds good.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, heart sounds nice and strong. It's a really critical time right now because without the antibodies coming in from her mother's milk, she's at risk of infection. And that can be from bacterial infections or it can be from viruses. So what I would actually